Hi guys, and welcome to Free Excel Tutorials. And today I'm going to share with you 10 very useful shortcuts for Microsoft Excel. Okay, 10 Excel keyboard shortcuts. Okay, by using a keyboard, you can perform these shortcuts and or task without using the mouse. Instead of clicking here and there, you can just use the keyboard to execute certain tasks with the Microsoft Excel that will allow you to save time, and perform your work much faster on your data spreadsheet. Okay. In the beginning, you might need a little bit of time to get used to it, but I'm sure with a little bit of practice, you will remember the shortcuts very easily, and it will come just automatically, in the end. Okay. So the first one, the first shortcut that I would like to share with you is one that we always use. Is how you can select the entire column. Okay, if you see my mouse cursor over here, to select the entire column, I have to press up here, right, or here, or here. Okay, but usually when we use Excel, our fingers will be on the keyboard. Moving from cells to cells. I'm now using the arrow keys to move up and down. Okay, so what if I want to select this column D here, and I do not want to take my hands off the keyboard? Very easy. Okay, so to select the entire column, just press Control and Space Bar. See, say that you want to select this column E here. See, I was moving here from column D, and I moved to the E column using the arrow keys, and now I want to select the entire column. So just press Control and Spacebar. See, very easy. Control Spacebar, Control Spacebar, Control Spacebar. Okay. So the second shortcut is how to select a specific row. Okay. So if you use a mouse, it's the same thing. You have to take your hands off the keyboard, and you have to go to row number 6 and press here to select the entire row, or row number 10, or row number 8, like this, right? But if you do not want to take off your hands or fingers off the keyboard, you can just do the same thing, move up or down the cells um, using the keyboard, and press Shift Space Bar to select the entire row. Okay, instead of Control, you press Shift Space Bar. Okay, one more time, just move to the row that you want, press Shift and Spacebar. Okay, this is the second shortcut. Okay, um, the third shortcut that I want to show you is also a very useful one. Okay, say that you have a huge spreadsheet, down to 100 rows, and you're working like this, and you want to move back to the beginning of the spreadsheet. So usually you will use the mouse and scroll up like this. Okay, and you come back to the beginning of the spreadsheet. All right. So this is just 100 rows. It's pretty easy. It's easy to scroll up. Takes like 1 second. But say if you have like maybe 1,000 rows, or 500 rows, it will take a long time for you to scroll up. So you can move to the beginning of your spreadsheet easily by pressing Control Home, Control and Home. Okay. So right now you see that we're at the 530th row. We are at row number 530. If I press Control Home, we'll move directly to the first. Okay, so let's do it again. Let's go down to 500, 600. Okay, now we are row number 600. Okay, and I want to move back to the beginning of the spreadsheet. I don't want to use the mouse. I just want to use the keyboard. So we just press Control Home. There it is. We have moved to the beginning of the spreadsheet. Okay. Okay. Now shortcut number 4. Okay. Key Excel keyboard shortcut number 4 is how to move to the end of our spreadsheet. Okay. We have learned how to move to the beginning. Now let's learn how to move to the end. Okay. So for this example over here, the end is right here. Okay. Around 100 or 102, row 101, row 102, somewhere here. Okay, so maybe I'm working around this cell over here, you know and I want to move to the end. So you press Control N. Okay, you go to the last one. See that? Okay, this is the last cell of this spreadsheet. Okay, so let's do it again. To move to the end of the spreadsheet, press Control N. ENDN. Okay. All right. So shortcut number 5. Shortcut number 5 is also, I think, a very useful one. Not in this spreadsheet, but I think very useful if you have some calculation that you want to do in your spreadsheet. Is how you can insert a function or a formula into a cell. So the usual way is we will click the cell and we will come to this function bar here and click this. Okay, and you see this insert function window. Okay, to do this faster, okay, you can use the keyboard by pressing, say that you're moving around this spreadsheet using the arrow keys, and now you want to insert a function, so just press shift and F3. Okay, you see pop up the insert function pop up. Okay, so you can just come here, shift F3, or come here, shift F3. Okay, okay, we are now at shortcut number 6. Okay, number 6 is a very simple one. Is how you can select everything, select the entire spreadsheet without, when you're not editing it. All right, so this is a very straightforward one. To select the whole spreadsheet instead of like going back up here and clicking here. All right, you can do it by, if you are here, you can just press Ctrl A and you select the spreadsheet, the entire spreadsheet. Okay, so if you do it the traditional way, you have to go back up to the first row above and press this icon over here to select the entire spreadsheet. But if you use the keyboard, you can be anywhere in the spreadsheet and just press Ctrl A, and you see it selects the entire spreadsheet for you. Okay, so now shortcut. Next we have shortcut number 7. Okay, number 7. Number 7 is how you can enter the current date into a cell. Okay, so I'm just going to press this, select this cell over here. Let's select this one, trooper. Okay, and I want to enter the current date. And to do so, you need to press Control and semicolon. Okay, it's 29th of May today. So just press Control and semicolon. You will enter the date. Let's do it again. Okay, let's go to Brian Adams. Enter the current date is Control semicolon. Okay. So next we have shortcut number 8. Number 8 is how you can enter the current time. Okay, we have learned how to enter the current date, and let's enter the current time. I think this is pretty useful because we always use a lot of dates and time in order to record down certain data in Excel. So to enter the current time, it's almost the same, but you need to press Control and Control and colon. Okay. Okay, so it's 1:58 p.m. here at my time, in my zone. So to enter the current time, press Control and colon. Okay, easy. Right. Now we have reached the shortcut number 9. Okay, for shortcut number 9, I want to show you how you can copy from the left cell to the right cell. Okay, say I have here April wine. Okay, and I want to copy this cell onto this cell. So I'll say it's copy to the right. Okay, so the traditional way to do this is to come here, press Control C, copy, and come here, press Control V. Okay, so it's 2 steps. All right, so you can do this in 1 step. Okay, I'm going to undo this. So in order for you to do this in 1 step, to copy April wine to the cell on the right, okay, to copy to the right, just go to the cell that you want to be copied to have the new information, and press Control R. All right, you see that it automatically copies the data that is on the left. Okay, So let's do it again. I want teenage head to be here. So just select this cell and press Ctrl R. Okay. To the last shortcut I want to share with you is to copy down. Same thing, but now it's downwards. So I want to have quick things over here at one pace. So I just press on this cell over here and press Ctrl D. Yeah, let's do it again. I have here no time and I want this to be right here. So I just have to click on the cell that I want to edit and press Ctrl D. Okay, so there you have it. 10 easy keyboard shortcuts that you can use for in Microsoft Excel. Okay, I hope you liked the free tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.